In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's two different methods to fix this. I'll be showing you both of them, and they work exactly the same, whether you're on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. So I've just opened up YouTube, which looks like this. All you want to do, on the bottom right, click on your profile icon. Then from here, go to the settings wheel on the top right. Click on that. You're going to see a lot of different things. And the first thing you want to do is go to general, which is under account, and it's the very first option. And you want to make sure that restricted mode isn't turned on. If restricted mode is on, there's a chance you're not going to be seeing all or most of the comments. So make sure this is off. And then the second thing you also want to do is literally just go to the your video section. Whenever you click on this, all you have to do is click on any of the videos you want, press edit. Now, whenever you scroll down, you want to go to comments at the very bottom, and you just want to make sure that comments are turned on. If they're turned off, it's not going to work properly. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.